rather than fostering critical thinking and encouraging students to use their imagination. And as long as the curriculum is broken, the use of AI will only expose its weak points. So perhaps ChatGPT might actually cause a positive change in this field. Now, in the same way AI has impacted education, another industry where this tool is already making ripple effects is entertainment. Among companies that publish content online, whether it be on blogs, YouTube channels, even Twitter accounts, we can already see a rush to arms by those who see the potential. For example,
what is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Passetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just want to throw it out there, if you're a new viewer trying to find out as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video if you want to stay caught up with as much Theta information that you want to see out there that I am able to find. So going on to a little bit more of AI and Theta network, I feel like I just want to highlight a little bit more specifically just some of the use cases and potential it could already have. I feel like for those who are already watching the channel, you already see and recognize the partnerships that they made with universities like Seoul, Korea, Women's University, and then I also think Yonsei University is another one. And then I don't know if there's anything that's going to be released while this video is being edited and posted in the meantime. So going on to X, go and see more of the updates here. Seeing Mitch Liu says that. So here's just one of the things that was posted on September 26th of 2024. Meta's Llama 3.2 lightweight models are now available for edge devices, open source AI models, and decentralized edge mobile net devices, on-chain and off-chain verification by Theta Network. No limit to what the future can bring. So just seeing that this is like limitless is just another great word. It's kind of synonymous with global adoption in my own way of thinking of it, but we shall see how this technology is going to be influenced and adopted on businesses, corporations, and just partnerships in general. Going on to what I want to show you with this AI and Meta here, this was what I highlighted. With this new update, they're making it possible to run Llama in even more places with even more flexible capabilities. We said it before and we'll say it again, open source AI is how we ensure that these innovations reflect the global community they're built for and benefit everyone. We're continuing their drive to make open source the standard with Llama 3.2. So as you can tell, they're just trying to increase this availability for technologies to help that creation for those who are not only just in, I guess, have a lot of access to resources, so that those who may not have as many resources still have the capabilities to run whatever creations that they would like to do, is what I am interpreting from these two posts. I do want to also mention something that Jihi posted a while back. This was created on May 20th of 2023. In regards to this, it says that COT says chain of thought, and then Jihi has the TOT, which is the tree of thought. So this is the article for this individual, I believe, so you can see right here, and then you even have Jihi Long's right here. And I do want to mention it just because I feel like it's just to reiterate the importance of it, so those who are watching this video will be like, oh yeah, I remember that, and I understand as to why this is important for Theta updates and technology. So clicking on Jihi's post right here, I did just want to highlight the abstract. So the abstract is basically saying the overview as to why this paper is being created and this experiment is being done. So in this paper, we introduced a tree of thought TOT framework and a novel approach aimed at improving the problem-solving capabilities of auto-regressive large language models. The TOT technique is inspired by the human mind's approach for solving complex reasoning tasks through trial and error. In this process, the human mind explores the solution space through a tree-of-like process, allowing for backtracking when necessary. To implement TOT as a software system, we augment large language models with additional modules to include a prompter agent, a checker module, a memory module, and a TOT controller. In order to solve a given problem, these modules engage in a multi-round conversation with a large language model. The memory module records the conversation and state history of the problem-solving process, which allows the system to backtrack to the previous steps of the thought process and explore other directions from there. To verify the effectiveness of the proposed technique, we implemented TOT-based solves for the Sudoku puzzle. Experimental results show that the TOT framework can significantly increase the success rate of Sudoku puzzle solving. Our implementation of TOT Sudoku solver is available on the GitHub that's listed right here. So going on to this, you can see the image of it just so it's easier to actually visualize it. Here is the input. So for example, you have the Sudoku, and then this is multiple ways on how to solve it. So this is the output as the solution. So going back into a previous step to maybe fix an error, that is the tree of thought process that I am understanding that they are creating for Theta Network. So when you have a large language model, you can see here that it does have that input, so you have a problem, and then you have multiple ways to go about that problem and other solutions that are potentially helpful to create a solution for the problem that everyone is having. Although it is not perfect, I feel like it's far from it, but I feel like it is pretty helpful because people are using ChatGPT, which is an example I would say for this type of large language model. Put some thoughts and comments down below, guys, what you think about my analysis of that abstract. If you agree with it, disagree with it, anything you want to add to it, just because I feel like there's just so much more vocabulary, so much other technology, things that can be incorporated that can be thrown into that type of an example. But just for this sake, for the purpose of this video, I'll just keep it at that from my own end. Going on to a little bit more, I do want to mention one thing that I did make a video previously about the Theta Edge node for mobile devices, and we're going to just see some of the things that are mentioned here. It says today marks a big milestone for Theta, which launched of the mobile version of Theta Edge node for Android devices, which many still don't know that Theta Network has evolved beyond video delivery, integrating AI and video processing to its platform. So in the beginning of this video, I feel like this is going to be about a week-ish out from when this video is posted. So for those who are actually using the tag, you can definitely comment down below. And then you can even see some of the things that are highlighted here. It says top universities like South Korea, KAIST, and Yonsei are using it for advanced AI research. New partners like Jam Coding are also joining. Let's not also forget Theta and 8 all-time high Aether Cloud have teamed up in the build the largest hybrid GPU marketplace for AI and DePin. This will give businesses quick access to top quality GPU and power for AI models. So basically it sounds like that Theta Network has partnered with all the corporations it feels like it needs to when it comes to big data centers. And then you also have cell phones for small individuals, small businesses, or just hobbyists, or those who are just trying to have fun with the technology. It's kind of like a well-rounded partnership for Theta Network in my own sense. I could be missing some gaps here and there, but to me it sounds like they're covering all their bases, especially when they have the patents included. I just feel like there's just more potential than there is risk, but there's still going to be risk when it comes to investing, guys. Definitely do your own research. Do want to mention one more thing that Mitch Liu posted as well. It has one big thing that we did see before with the Binance and Theta Network, but here is just another post on September 24th of 2024. It's just kicking things off in the big way in Japan with Theta Network. This regulatory approval took years to do it right. We're excited to partnering with Binance once again. So I don't necessarily know if this was something different from the previous post from like a month or two ago, just because we did see that news. I feel like the market in Japan as of right now was not doing as well, so that's just maybe another reason why there's another posting, but I could be wrong. But seeing this new listing in a big tech area, especially in Asia, is just more optimism for me for Theta Network to build more. When you have also, I feel like Japan is like the hub for technology. I could be wrong about that, but when it's in that kind of area, I just feel like there's just more opportunities for more businesses and just technology corporations to just even partner with Theta from there. But that's just also me just analyzing and just thinking about it. I don't have anything else to necessarily back it up. I'm just basing it off on what I've remembered in the past. That's all I really have for today's video, guys. If you're trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your TFL tokens to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta Network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TFL passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the sub-chains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Until the next Theta update, until the next Theta video, it is your boy Justin Passetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.